Good afternoon, everyone. Di ko kabalo mag-Ilonggo, so I'll just speak in English. I am Chiara Carbonilla, the Assistant to the Director of Research and Marketing in CPAC. So we have come here. We are thankful for the Linatans for giving us to go here in Sunog Church and give us a slot so that we're able to present to you our school. Apart from our school, I will also present a video about a special offering for cafeteria, not now, but you can offer it next week. So I want to ask you, why would you take or have your children go to Adventist education? So there are three main things, 3 to 5. I'll just run it down. I'll be speaking only for about 1 minute and 2 minutes. So spiritual focus. If you have your children, or if you bring your children to an Adventist school, you will have them prepared spiritually. The retention for them to stay in the church, in our institution, is more stronger than if you take your children out in public schools or schools not within our institution. Also, student-teacher ratio. So students and teachers, they're more inclined to learn more with the teachers because there's not a lot of people in their classes. So like in public schools, let's say, or they have about maybe 200 in the classroom. If you take them in an Adventist institution, we put them per about 40 to 60, just enough for them to learn, and the teacher can go through them one by one. And academic achievement. Most students that graduate from Adventist schools, their average of grades are usually higher than those who study in our non-institutional schools. And another one is our curriculum. If you bring your children to an Adventist education, their curriculum is tailored like for their subject, ethics. Their ethics is also tailored to our Adventist beliefs, so they don't stray away or have a double thoughts on our religion because they are taught one by one. And these are philosophies from the General Conference. So they get it course by course from our Adventist teachers. And also the family atmosphere in our schools. Me personally, I wanted to study Library and Information Science in UP Diliman. But my mother discouraged me, and I'm thankful she did. And I was able to study in an Adventist institution in AUP. And because of that, and honestly, if I did go and study outside, I would have probably lost my faith. So having your children go to an Adventist school not only strengthens their faith, they can be an example for those to be Adventist outside your church.
Nestled in the heart of Sugarlandia, at the foot of Marapara, stands Central Philippine Adventist College. Founded in 1981 in Alegria, Murcia, this serene institution occupies an evergreen expanse of 106 hectares enveloped by sugarcane fields, located just 23 kilometers from the Bacolod city, Negros Occidental. CPAC is more than just an educational institution. It's a beacon of purpose and service and make future professionals winsome ambassadors to Christ. Today, we present our mission-driven institution. CPAC stands as a sole school offering civil engineering in Asia, Africa, and Oceania regions. As one of only 2 Adventist education institutions in Southeast Asia, we provide specialized music education and piano pedagogy. CPAC's role in mission is to produce winsome individuals who embody the Christian spirit of being in the world but not of the world. We prepare our students on a mission-oriented path of development, equipping them to make significant contributions to their families, churches, and communities. CPAC thrives with vibrant clubs and organizations. Sundown Worship unite these groups. Evangelistic Crusades ignite hearts. Our journey is guided by 4 key principles that prepare students for mission through faith, strengthening spirituality by being Christ-centered. Students demonstrate humility, respect, trustworthiness, kindness, and compassion in cultivating a personal growing relationship with Christ. Service impacting communities through productivity. Emphasizing a healthy lifestyle with recreational activities that not only enhance physical vigor but also elevate the mind and enrich the soul. Mission: spreading hope by being altruistic, by displaying socially responsible attitude towards others, by exhibiting and instilling compassion, generosity, Christian love and kindness and service for others. Education: empowering minds. By ensuring the relevance of our study programs and research, our accomplished alumni are making a global impact by being competent. Their expertise ensure our study programs and research remain relevant, fostering effective communication, technological proficiency, and research excellence.
As you can see, we are the only Adventist college in the Visayas. So to have your children, to bring your children to CPAC will not just support our church and the school, will support our institution as well. And as you can see, if you bring your children to CPAC, we will help you mold your children to transform them for eternity. Thank you.
Madagong na salamat sa mga kultura natin diri. Ang ini na project plano ni pagkasuburan sa June. No malawig pa ni siya. Gani amon kamo ginagdan to be a part sa sini na project. Hindi ni ginamin na subong kidayon. Kay malawig pa man ang proseso. It's a partnership of our brethren sa bilog na CPOC. Then akong ginahanduman na ang Sumab Church may part sa sina na cafeteria. Gani, kabayang Diyos magkakamayo sa atong tanan. We will be blessed sa ato ng mga different activities sa ini na doon. Salamat.